U National President ka NPP bat Menteri Rangba ka jela u Konrad ki sangma ha ka khat santrik kelalingkon. Ula Pynpaw ya ka jingsngew skhem baka party jong u kan yo ya ka jingjob ha ka nik election sha ki artli ki Autonomous District Council Rilum Khasi Jaintia ka banlong ha ka artway tarik urampang. Man ki election ki apher, man ki election ki day ki bajuan, bat kami ka jingkali bas ngo bala job ben. Ngidon kam bantri shitom bat ngikermen baki AKA kinyat hakalenti ka badai bat ngin job ya kanik election ADC haki ADC bat ADC ong ukon rat habakren syakilat patai kubor. Ula pentip baka party NPP kalapan long ya kajingalang bishar kam bat ki kertong na ka ADC bat ADC bat ong ngiyo ya ka kubor ka bas ngotenan. Henry kidon bet ki jing tenju bat ngi ha bantri shitom. Ki kertong jongi kiladon menta sya kishnong githaw kat bangi dangya keren hang ni. Kumju ru kinongelam jongi kilapan kre habaro kuwe ka jela bat kila trishitom nakabenta kanik election ka banwan. Ukon rat ula benrap ru bagi jimpen kre nakaliang ka sorkar kalong bakan shim ya baro ki sin jam ban pentikna baka jimpen long ya kanik election sya baro ki artli ki ADC kanong kabayat bet ya renti.
The district council elections, as you're aware, are coming up in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. And of course, we as a political party are working very hard and our candidates for at least the first and second list of candidates has come out. And is that all the candidates are working very hard. Even yesterday we had a review meeting with the candidates and we're getting very positive response. But of course, I've maintained this from day one that every election is different, every election is tough. There's no question of being overconfident. We have to work hard, which we are, and we're hopeful that things will be positive and we will win in this district council elections, both in Jaintia Hills and Khasi Hills. But of course, there are challenges. We have to work hard. Our candidates are at the grassroots even as we speak now, and even from the party side, all our different leaders are all prepared from throughout the state to work tirelessly during this coming elections. From the overall preparation from the government point of view, government has taken all necessary steps to ensure that the elections will be smooth. All the necessary administrative work, the manpower required, the machines required, all of that has been taken care of, and we expect that the elections will be going smoothly. See, anti-incumbency is always there for any government. You cannot avoid that. But if you look at the work that has been done by the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, the large number of bills that have been cleared, so many pending issues that were there which were not taken up in the past, was cleared by this current EC. And so therefore one cannot say that that they have failed miserably. Yes, there are a lot of challenges, a lot of issues that are there, but many innovative things, many important projects. Recently the research scholars that they have brought forward, and they have funded them to have the entire database and documentation of the Khasi culture, the language in different aspects. I mean, these are very positive signs of how this particular EC is working in a positive way to take the region and the district council forward. So opposition will say many things, but this EC has done very well. As I said, a lot of pending issues that were there have been resolved. A lot more work is left, but we will continue to do the work in the future.